Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Block Dash alone. First, open the game and navigate to the Custom Party section. You'll need to create a private room, generating a unique code that only you will use. Make sure to adjust the game settings to prevent other players from joining, ensuring your solo experience. This setup allows you to practice without interruptions, focusing solely on your movements and strategies. It's a great way to master the map. Once in the game, concentrate on your movement. Precise jumps are crucial for navigating the disappearing blocks. Practice quick directional changes to avoid falling. Don't forget to use the dive mechanic. It's excellent for covering longer distances or recovering from a misstep. Pay close attention to the block patterns. They often repeat, allowing you to anticipate and plan your next moves. This consistent practice builds muscle memory. To truly excel, learn specific routes that keep you on stable ground longer. Experiment with wall climbing techniques. They can save you from falling and open up new paths. Developing a consistent rhythm is key to maintaining momentum and avoiding hesitation. The more you play, the more intuitive these advanced strategies will become. Remember, solo practice lets you experiment freely without the pressure of other players. Consistent practice is the most effective way to improve your reaction time and overall skill. Don't hesitate to record and analyze your replays. Seeing your mistakes helps you learn faster. Remember to take breaks and stay hydrated, especially during intense gaming sessions. For a great way to keep your drinks cold and accessible, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other fantastic deals. Keep practicing, and you'll master Block Dash in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.